Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting, Theano in Python. Now, if you've ever wondered how to make your mathematical computations lightning fast, or if you're curious about the backbone technologies that powered early deep learning frameworks, then you're in for a treat. Theano might not be the newest kid on the block anymore, but understanding it is absolutely crucial for anyone serious about computational mathematics and deep learning. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Theano is, why it was revolutionary, and how to use it for your own projects. So grab your favorite beverage, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Theano? Theano is a Python library that was developed at the University of Montreal. It's designed to define, optimize, and efficiently evaluate mathematical expressions involving multidimensional arrays. Think of it as a mathematical expression compiler that can make your computations incredibly fast. Here's what makes Theano special. It takes symbolic mathematical expressions, that means expressions written in terms of variables rather than specific numbers, and compiles them into highly optimized code that can run on either your CPU or GPU. The really cool part? Theano automatically computes derivatives for you using automatic differentiation. This was absolutely revolutionary for machine learning applications. Now, I should mention, Theano development officially ended in 2017, but it's still incredibly important to understand because it laid the foundation for modern deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So why should you care about Theano? Let me give you the top reasons why this library was a game changer. First up, speed. Theano compiles your mathematical expressions into optimized C code or CUDA code for GPUs. We're talking about performance improvements that can be 10 to 100 times faster than pure Python. Second, automatic differentiation. If you've ever had to manually compute gradients for machine learning algorithms, you'll appreciate this. Theano does it automatically and efficiently. Third, GPU acceleration. Theano was one of the first libraries to make GPU computing accessible to Python developers. Just change a few configuration settings and boom, your code runs on GPU. Fourth, numerical stability. Theano includes many optimizations to avoid common numerical issues like overflow and underflow. And finally, it's the grandfather of modern deep learning frameworks. Understanding Theano helps you understand the principles behind TensorFlow, PyTorch, and others. All right, let's get our hands dirty. Time to install Theano on your system. The easiest way is using pip. Just open your terminal or command prompt and run pip install Theano. Now, if you want to use GPU acceleration, you'll also need to install CUDA and QDNN. This can be a bit tricky, so I'll put links to detailed installation guides in the description below. You can also use Conda if you prefer. Conda install Theano. Once it's installed, let's quickly verify it's working. Open up Python and try importing Theano. If you don't get any errors, you're good to go. Don't worry if you run into issues. Installation problems are totally normal. Check the description for troubleshooting tips. Now let's dive into the fundamentals of how Theano works. This is where it gets really interesting. Theano works with symbolic variables. Unlike regular Python variables that hold actual values, Theano variables represent abstract mathematical symbols. Here's a simple example. We import Theano tensor as t, then create symbolic variables. Notice how we define x and y as scalar symbols. Then we can define mathematical expressions using these symbols. Here, we're creating z as x plus y. But here's the key point. At this stage, we haven't actually computed anything. We've just defined the mathematical relationship. To actually compute values, we need to create what Theano calls a function. This compiles our symbolic expression into optimized code. Now, when we call our function with actual values, Theano executes the compiled code and returns the result.
This compilation step is what makes Theano so fast for repeated computations. All right, this is where the magic happens. Let's see Theano in action with some practical examples. Let's start simple. Here, we're creating a function that computes x squared plus 2x plus 1. Notice how we define the symbolic variable, create the expression, compile the function, and then use it. When we test it with x equals 3, we get 16, exactly what we'd expect. Now, let's level up with matrices. Theano really shines with linear algebra operations. Here, we're multiplying two matrices and computing the result. We define symbolic matrix variables, create our expression using dot product, compile the function, and then test it with actual NumPy arrays. Here's where it gets exciting. Let's compare the speed of Theano versus pure NumPy for a larger computation. Look at that difference. Theano is significantly faster, especially for complex mathematical operations. But wait, there's more. Here's the really cool part. Automatic differentiation. Let's compute the gradient of a function automatically. With just one line, theano.grad, we get the derivative of our function. No manual calculus required. Now, let's see why Theano was so revolutionary for deep learning. Before modern frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, if you wanted to implement a neural network, you had to write a lot of low-level code and manually compute all the gradients. Theano changed everything. Here's a simple neural network implemented in Theano. Look how we can define the forward pass symbolically, and then Theano automatically computes all the gradients we need for backpropagation. We define our weights and biases as shared variables. These are special Theano variables that maintain state between function calls, perfect for neural network parameters. Our training function automatically computes gradients and updates our parameters. All the complex calculus is handled behind the scenes. This approach directly influenced the design of TensorFlow's computational graphs and PyTorch's AutoGrad system. When you understand Theano, you understand the foundation of modern deep learning. And because everything compiles to optimized code, training was much faster than pure Python implementations. This made deep learning research much more accessible. So there you have it, a complete introduction to Theano and Python. We've covered what Theano is, why it was revolutionary, how to install it, the basics of symbolic computation, practical examples of mathematical operations, and how it enabled the deep learning revolution. Now, while Theano development has ended, the concepts and principles we've discussed are absolutely fundamental to understanding modern machine learning frameworks. Whether you're using TensorFlow, PyTorch, or JAX, you're using ideas that were pioneered in Theano. Understanding these fundamentals will make you a better machine learning practitioner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into machine learning tools and concepts. What would you like to see next? TensorFlow? PyTorch? Let me know in the comments.